Today I'll talk about Gauss-Seidel iteration method. So here is the system of linear equation. So 3x plus y minus z is equal to 1, 2x plus 4y is equal to 2, minus x plus 2y plus 5z is equal to 3. So we have three equations, and then first rearrange for the iteration. So x from equation 1, so that is x is equal to 1 minus y plus z by 3. From equation 2, that y is equal to 2 minus 2x by 4, that is 1 minus x by 2. And then from the equation 3, that will be z is equal to 3 plus x minus 2y divided by 5. So we have three equations. So rearranging three equations, x, y and z. So now, so initial value, that is x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0. Now we have to plug that. So if I plug in that equation 1, so that is 1 minus y plus z by 3. So y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. So that 1 by 3, that is x is equal to 0.3333. Now that is new x values, that is x is equal to 0.3333. Now using that new x value, I am going to calculate y. So y is 1 minus x by 2. So if I plug x is equal to 0.333, so that will be y is equal to 0.6667 by 2. So that will y is equal to 0.3333. Now new y is actually 0.3333. Now using new x and new y, I am going to calculate z. So z is equal to 3 plus x minus 2y by 5. So 3 plus 0.3333 minus 2 into 0.3333 divided by 5. So that will give z is equal to 0.5333. So new z value is equal to 0.5333. So now after first iteration we have x is equal to 0.333, y is equal to 0.33 and z is equal to 0.5333. We will get that. Now if I calculate the second iteration similar way, and here I am preparing a table. For iteration 2 we will get that x value is 0.4, y is 0.3 and z is equal to 0.5. Similarly if I do the seventh iteration, so we will get 0.4285, x is equal to 0.4285, y is equal to 0.2857 and z is equal to 0.5714. So here if you see that two consecutive values, if difference is very small, so we can consider that after iteration 7, so final solution is x is equal to 0.4286, that is 3 by 7, y is equal to 0.2857, that is 2 by 7, and z is equal to 0.5714, that is 4 by 7. We can also do many iteration based on the tolerance. Now here is the Python code, how to solve this problem by using Python. So here that 3x plus y minus z is equal to 1, and then 2x plus 4y is equal to similar that system of equation. Now here initial guess is 0 0 0, so import numpy as a np, and then here I am putting one loop. I is in range is 1 to 11, so up to 11 iteration I am doing. Okay, and then x new is equal to, like here x new is equal to 1 minus y plus z, and y new 2 minus 2 into 2x new by 4, and z new is equal to 3 plus x new minus 2 y new by 5. Now after first iteration, then I'm printing that value, means after finish one iteration it will give the x and y and z value, and then we have to update that x y z value. So x is equal to x new, y is equal to y new and z is equal to new. Then it will go to the second iteration. So iteration 1 we got that 0.333, then y is equal to 0.33 and z is equal to 0.533, whatever we got in that table here. So both similar, you can check that. And then after seventh iteration we will get, so that is 0.4285, 0.2857, 0.5714. If I do another two iteration, we will get the similar answer. So our final value is this. That's it. Thank you.